15 miles. Read properly.
Okay, let's read it, Safalta. Let's read it properly. Safalta says read properly. We also encourage reading properly. Okay. Okay, let's see. So Prem thought. Good
morning, sir.
Good morning, Ellen. Where is that school part? Okay, so Prem, my darling.
My name is Carl.
Mute, Ellen.
My name is
Okay.
Pratik sir.
Yes. What is it? We are discussing that, Marisa.
Sorry, page number कति हो?
I don't know. You have to find this one.
Page number कति हो?
थाहा छैन, Marisa. थाहा छैन. No. Okay.
So I will come in that laptop.
Ellen, why do you come with phone if you're coming with laptop? Laptop बाट आउनुस् न, phone बाट आउने अनि hello अब म laptop बाट आउँछु. What is this game? Switching laptop phone.
I have done already. हैन के साथ ल्यापटप खोल्न अलिकति टाइम लाग्छ अनि त्यो फेरि 15 मिनेट ढिला भयो भने त माइनस खान्छ
भन्दा अगाडि नै प्रिपेयर गर्नु न. मेरो क्लास सुरु भइसकेपछि अनि यस्तो गर्यो भने त म त यसलाई ढिलै मान्छु.
Sir, let's do correction.
सर यहाँ 14 miles through the thick भनेको छ त यहाँ.
एकैछिन सफलता. We'll talk about that. स्कुल त्यसको मतलब स्कुल 14 हैन नि त. सफलता त हाम्रो ए नम्बरमा स्कुल 14 माइल्स फार भनेको छ. तर 14 माइल्स जंगलबाट हिड्नु पर्छ भन्ना साथ 14 माइल्स टाढा त भने हैन नि त. सो लेट्स रिड है त. सो आई क्वेशन 7 miles away. Sentence above that. I'm going to remove you है त. यसलाई रिमुभ गर्छ है त एलेन. Is it okay? So Safalta, read the sentence before that. I wish I could send you to school, but it is 7 miles away. So 7 miles far छ. तर गएर जाँदा र आउँदा चाहिँ 14 miles. जाँदा आउँदा 14 miles. That does not mean 14 miles टाढा छ सफलता. So that means it is. So you have to walk. Okay. मा हिड्नु पर्छ किनभने जानु नि पर्छ आउनु नि पर्छ नि त. So the answer is 7 miles. So it's a cross. A number is a cross. A number is cross, everyone. So that's it. B number.
Yes, okay, sir.
Range in B number.
Prem did not have much lunch to eat.
Hello, sir. मेरे PC automatically reset भयो.
Okay. Cross. Prem did not have much food to eat is cross. He has much food. Ranjan, he did not have much food is a cross. Ranjan is saying B number is cross. Is that so? He did not have much to eat.
म्यूट कर ले रहा है. No.
Yes.
Cross or tick, Ranjan?
Tick.
Ranjan is saying tick. Now he had changed his answer.
Cross.
Akash is
कहीं
saying
क्या मनोज यो सर कस्तो
मैले त तपाईले जे भन्यो त्यही त.
क्रस
स्लो के भएको केही सुन्दै सुनेन मैले.
सर can you hear me?
यस रेन्जन तपाईको बी नम्बरको टिक हो कि क्रस हो मात्र. अब केही नबोल्नुस्, टिक र क्रस मात्र भन्नुस्. क्रस. ओके, रेन्जन इज सेइङ बी नम्बर क्रस.
म्यूट छ के रेन्जन?
ठीक छ आकाश, म्युट छैन. ठीक छ. So just okay. Is that okay? Prem did not have much food to eat is a cross. This will mean Prem has much food to eat. यो कसरी ओके भयो? प्रेमसँग धेरै खानेकुरा थियो त. यो क्रस भन्नुको मतलब त प्रेमसँग धेरै खानेकुरा थियो.
सँग धेरै खानेकुरा थिएन.
अनि कसरी क्रस भयो त? थिएन भन्दाखेरि क्रस भन्यो. I don't know what is.
मैले भने छैन सर. टिक.
रेन्जन कसरी यो के भइराछ यहाँ? It's a tick. Prem did
Because
yes, it's a tick. He's a poor guy.
sir, मैं आयो त्यो A नम्बरको चाहिँ क्रस लेख्दैछु के
रञ्जन यसरी हुन्न
A नम्बरको अघि टिक भन्नुभयो नि B नम्बरमा क्रस लेख्दैछु नि
करेक्ट एन्सर रञ्जन अब भइसक्यो मैले तपाईँलाई सोधेको बी नम्बर के भन्दाखेरि तपाईँले मलाई टिक क्रस भन्नुभएको थियो एन्ड नाउ यु डोन्ट गेट टु चेन्ज आई वाज भेरी लाउड एन्ड क्लियर ए तेरि के भइरहेछ यहाँ ओ समवन आई थिङ्क यु I cannot scroll so I
B नम्बरको टिक छैन
मेरी चाहिँ तपाईँले त भन्न मिल्दैन नि तपाईँ त भर्खर गरिराख्नु भएको छ तपाईँले त एन्सर भने जस्तो हुन्छ
Sir, may I help you to scroll?
नो नो
Wait, I will read.
Okay, so C number. The teacher was pleased with Prem. Ellen, C number. Teacher was pleased with Prem. Tick or cross?
सर टिक क्रस B नम्बर
Cross.
So cross. Teacher was not pleased by Prem. तपाईले पढि त राख्नु भएको छ है के यतिकै हावामा जे मलाई चाहिँ भन्दिरा कहाँबाट थाहा पाउनु भयो भन्दै
मैले गरेँ
कहाँको पार्टले तपाईलाई भन्छ कि एलियन टिचर वाज नट प्लिज भनेर कहाँको पार्टले भन्छ मलाई पढेर सुनाउनु कहाँ छ त्यो पार्ट त्यो चीज
के भन्छ त्यो एन्सर द क्वेशन रे
कहाँ छ त्यो पढेर सुनाउनु त मलाई जुन पार्ट तपाईले पढेर थाहा पाउनु भयो कि टिचर वाज नट प्लिज विथ प्रेम जुम गर्नु पर्छ तपाई गर्नुस् मेरो त ठिकै छ जस्ट टेल रीड द पार्ट
वन ल्यापटप बाट आको कसरी जुम गर्ने
कुन पार्टमा छ त्यो तपाईसँग बुक छ नि त हैन छैन बुक आई थिंक यु हैव बुक राइट अनि
जुम गर्नलाई स्क्रिनशट लिऊ अनि स्क्रिनशट लिएपछि क्यामेरामा जाऊ अनि त्यहाँ जुम भन्ने एउटा
स्क्रिनशट लिनु पर्दैन नि यहीबाट गर्न मिलिहाल्छ नि जो
Okay, we are not going to have discussion about Zoom. Please, Ellen, तपाईं पढेर सुनाउनुस् त मलाई कुन पार्टमा छ जहाँ चाहिँ भनेको छ कि टिचर प्लिज थिएन प्रेमसँग भनेर आई वान्ट टु नो द्याट मच तपाईले एन्सर हावामा दिइराख्नु भएको छ कि पढेर दिइराख्नु भएको छ त्यति मात्र बुझ्न खोजेँ मैले किनभने मलाई हावामा दिइरहेछ जस्तो लाग्यो जे क्रस भन्दै टिक भन्दै भनिदिइहाल्छ नि सरले भनेर कुन पार्टमा वेयर इज इट कहाँ छ त्यस्तो लेखेको जसले भन्छ कि प्रेम
सर टिक हैन
I'm talking with Ellen. Let me talk with Ellen. Ellen is going to say something, and then I'll come to everyone. Let me just have this moment with Ellen, please, everyone. Just wait for a moment. Yes, Ellen. कहाँ छ त्यो पार्ट कुन पढेर थाहा पाउनु भयो कि तपाईले प्रेम टिचर चाहिँ प्रेमसँग प्लिज थिएन भनेर कहाँ छ लेट मी नो एलेन यसको मतलब तपाईले पढेर एन्सर दिनु भयो हैन आई रियली डिस्करेज दिस एलेन है ओके एलेन त्यसबे म तपाईलाई यो फर्स्ट प्याराग्राफ पढ्नु त यो फर्स्ट प्याराग्राफ दिस प्याराग्राफ रिड दिस प्याराग्राफ
I'm told about his father old book and the teacher said to him and all without the teacher
sorry yes that first paragraph
this made them so
okay so के थियो त if you have read the so what is the three के बुझ्यो त टीचर was pleased or not प्लिज थियो त एलेन टीचर कि दुखी थियो
sir once more
भन्दा त 1 घण्टै बित्छ अनि हो भने once more
what to do रोजन तपाईहरुको साथी त्यस्तो खतरा हुनुहुन्छ ल पढ्नुस् एलेन I have no other option पढ्ने मान्छेलाई पढ्न दिनु पर्यो पढ्नु छैन
कुनै केटाले गर्दा हामी सबैले
I sorry yes एलेन त्यो सुरुको 3 लाइन मात्र पढ्नु हेर्दैन अरु धेरै पढ्नु पर्दैन त्यति पढ्यो भने त्यही छ आन्सर So was the teacher pleased or not एलेन Okay, एलेनले टाइम लाउँछ जस्तो है. एलेन तपाईसँग बुक छ, बुकमा पढ्नुस्. I have no time for you for this much है. Please, sorry एलेन. तपाईसँग बुक छ एलेन? बुकमा हेर्नुस् एलेन. I will just move on एलेन. यसरी भएन एलेन. I want you to केही भन्न सकिन्छ? टिचर वाज प्लिज्ड कि नट प्लिज्ड? एलेन, टिचर वाज प्लिज्ड or not? Huh? Ellen? Was the teacher pleased? Yes, he was pleased. He was very happy. The teacher was happy. He said, well done. That means he is pleased. So it is a tick. The little animal were not found, not afraid of Sher Khan. Sneha, D number. She's saying I cannot listen. Are you saying tick or cross? Okay, write it in chat. Cross, yes, Sneha, correct. Cross, they were afraid, they started running, so yeah, cross. So E number, Rosen, E number. Prem was frightened of Sher Khan at first. Tick.
Pratik sir, tick. Prem was frightened for Sher Khan at first.
Tick, yes.
तर मैले
सेरिज तपाईले म टर्न दिन्थे है, मलाई डर लाग्यो कि तपाईले पनि टाइम खाइदिनु हुन्छ. लास्ट टाइम अरु बेलामा मैले तपाईलाई सोध्दाखेरि टाइम खाइदिनु हुन्थ्यो, सो आई वाज जस्ट वरिड है. मिल्यो सबै सिरिज? सेरिज तपाईको सबै मिल्यो? मिल्यो सबै सेरिज?
एक नंबर मिले छैन, त्यही मिलाइ.
Everything is okay, everything else is okay, right? Series?
Yeah.
Okay, so send me this, eh? If you're finished correction, send me this work. You're getting token, and I know many people here haven't sent any work here, English work.
Oh.
So please send them as soon as you do that. If it is possible, just send them. Now we.
Sunday I will send it number finish 3 of 4 I will send you, right?
Okay. Now I'm going to talk about.
I have not seen that number.
I'm gonna send you now and take it at the time, okay?
Okay. So I'm going to talk about 3 number now. So 3 number is how it. So I will teach you both at once, either 3 and 4. So 3 number we're going to talk about wish. We're going to talk about wish and hope. There are these 2 words we're going to talk about, and wish and okay. So mute, Ellen. If there is question, unmute. Otherwise mute. Okay. So we have these 2 words that we're going to learn how to use. Okay. So whenever you wish about something that has already happened. You cannot wish. So many people think wishing is for future, but we wish only based on what has happened. If something has happened, we wish for it to not happen, for it to happen in a better way. So wish is always about past. Okay, wish means you're talking about something in past. So whenever you use wish, you're going to use past tense or past perfect tense. Okay, so you can see this either. I can't swim. You can see in the example, I can't swim. I wish I could. This can't is changed into past tense. तपाईं स्विमिङ गर्न सक्नुहुन्न. What will you wish? स्विमिङ गर्न सक्थे भन्ने कुरा विश गर्नुहुन्छ. You have to write it in past tense. Okay, you wish you could swim. Is that okay? You can past tense मा change गर्नु.
Sir, 1 number पनि पढाउनु.
Okay, yes, series. So do you understand this? यहाँ पनि त्यही भइरहेछ. So you will not or want. This want is changed into would. So whenever we are talking about wish, we are talking about past tense. So whenever you wish something in past tense. I wish I did that. I wished I ran. I wished I slept. I wished I cleaned or something like that. Always you wish for something in past, or you can either say had cleaned. So if you're regretting on something, you will say I wish I had cleaned. I had gone. So had will come when you're regretting. Right? You mean I wish I have done that. So that's how we do it. So wish will always talk about past, right? And then hope. Then we come to hope. Now, hope is opposite of wish. Hope is always towards future. You hope something to happen and you will always talk about in future. Hope is for future. Wish is for past. Hope is for future. I hope I will become a prime minister. I hope I become a doctor. I hope I don't get too many demerit points. I hope, I will not. So it's about will. I shall, I will. So it's about future. So whenever you're using wish, even the sentence is given in present tense, you're going to use wish. You'll write whatever you're wishing for in past tense. And if you're using hope, even your sentence is given in present tense. If you're hoping for something, you will write whatever you're hoping in future tense by saying, I will. Hope, I will. Hope.
Sir,
Yes. Akash.
no, I don't understand it. I don't understand it.
के चाहिँ बुझ्नु भएन?
I don't understand it. 2 number. 3 number, 2 number.
त्यही त मैले 3 नम्बर 2
3 number भी.
कुरै भनेको छैन। मैले भनेको कुरामा चाहिँ के बुझ्नु भएन भने मैले त विश र होपको कुरा गर्दैछु, 3 नम्बरको कुरै गरे हैन। मैले भनेको कुरामा चाहिँ के बुझ्नु भएन?
Okay.
What didn't you understand about what I was saying?
Nothing. I understand that.
You understand how to use wish and how to use hope?
Yes.
Okay, so then we come to 3 number now, है त? So 3 number मा केही कुराहरु भन्या छ. So whenever I can't sing, what will you wish? If you cannot sing, what will you wish? You will wish you could sing, right? So when there is
I wish I could sing, but I can't.
yes, but I can't. So again, same thing in 2 number, you won't tell me, he won't tell me, but what will you wish? You will wish he would tell you, but he won't, right? So that's how you're going to do this. You're going to use wish, and please, this is the thing that you need to understand, past tense with wish, right? That is one place where you can make the mistake, and that's one thing that this exercise is trying to teach you. So whenever you're talking wish, you're talking or you're writing wish, you are supposed to write it in past tense. So if you have understood that, I want you to do 3A, and in B number there is don't, right? So you have to change the verb into past tense. I don't know the answer. That means you wish you did know the answer, right? Or did know will be you.
एउटा उ गरेर देखाउनु त
यहाँ छ एउटा example.
प्रतीक सर
एउटा example यहाँ छ. सफलता, it's here. This is the question. This is the answer. I wish I knew. Past tense मा change भयो, no.
I don't know if no.
So here, wish, when you're talking about wish, you're writing past tense. Right? So यदि तपाई काठमाडौँमा बस्नुहुन्छ भने के विश गर्नुहुन्छ त? नबसेको विश गर्नुहुन्छ. So I didn't leave. Past tense here. So यदि बस्नु हुँदैन भने you would wish you would leave. So this is how we do this. Can you guys do A number first, and then we'll talk about B? Can you guys do A? Okay, I will
Yes, sir.
I'll give you some time, like
Okay.
10 minutes.
प्रतीक सर,
Yes.
मेरो ए नम्बरको त बिहानै गरे।